Section 4 of the Utah Real Estate Purchase Contract covers possession. Possession is when you as the buyer actually get to move into the property. You get the keys and you're ready to go. There's a couple of different options. The first one is that you can take possession upon closing, which if you looked at our video on closing and settlement, you'd know when that occurs. That's when the county stamps that paper that you own the property. That usually happens in the afternoon, sometime between 1 and 4 in the afternoon. If you've got it upon closing, as soon as that happens, your agent could physically hand you those keys and you can move into the property and you're set. In a lot of cases, that doesn't really work. If someone's moving out of a property, it can be an issue because they need to close on that house and get to their new house, and there may need to be some time. In that case, there's a blank there. You can fill out a number of hours. Sometimes it's 24 hours is fairly common. 72 hours is also fairly common. The contract actually also gives us the option of using calendar days. I am not a big fan of calendar days because of the ambiguity associated with that. I mean, if it records at 3 p.m. and you've got 72 hours, it's very clear when you're going to be moving. If it's 3 calendar days after closing, what does that mean exactly? Does the day it closed count as day 1 or is that day 0? I just don't like ambiguity, and I think it's best to be very specific, so I always use hours. But make sure that you understand when you negotiate a contract when the possession is, because that's when you get to move in, and that's when you get to actually make the house your home. At Whitman Burns, we try to make sure our clients always know when they're going to get possession of the property and that they're always covered no matter what the circumstances are. So please, if you have questions, need help, or really just want to make your next move smooth, give us a holler. Here at Whitman Burns Realty, you can check out our contact information down below. You can Google us. You can go to our website at whitmanburns.com. Or you can just call our office if you really want to. Anyway, I'm Mike, and we're always happy to help.